Meaning of egomaniac.
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 Egomaniac. Egomaniac refers to a person who is excessively self-centered and has an inflated sense of self-importance. They have an intense desire for admiration, power, and control, often at the expense of others. Egomaniacs may exhibit behaviors such as grandiosity, arrogance, and a lack of empathy towards others. They are typically not open to feedback or criticism and may become agitated or defensive when challenged. This can lead to strained relationships and difficulties in personal and professional settings. Overall, egomaniacs can be destructive to themselves and those around them.